Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Uzo Kalu, and if you're a new subscriber, you're very much welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. So today's video is a get on ready with me. Like, I know you have been seeing me do makeup every time. So today's video, I'm going to be taking off my makeup and I'm going to be taking you guys along the products that I use, where I got them from as well. So I already have a skincare tutorial up on my channel, but I'm going to link it somewhere here. So this is like an updated version and what I used to take off my makeup. The initial one doesn't have what I used to take off my makeup. So this I'm putting in what I used to take it off and all that good stuff. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So the first thing I would do is take off my lashes. Ooh. And I'll be going in with my Cussons baby wipes. I used the blue one. Really doesn't have any difference. I think this is the chamomile one. So I use this to clean off my makeup. So next I'll be going in with my Miniso Aloe Vera makeup remover. I got this from Ikeja City Mall Miniso stores. They have like a range of skincare products. So I picked this one up. Dima of that evil chick, she recommended it. She said she uses this or Marcel water, Garnier Marcel water, I believe. So I went ahead and copped me one. And to be honest, yeah, it really does take out a lot of the makeup. Like when you use your wipes, you realize, you think you've gotten rid of the makeup on your face, but when you go in with the makeup remover, you realize that you didn't do shit, baby. Like your face is still full of makeup. See what I mean? There's still makeup on the face even though I have used a wipe. So next I'll be going to clean my face or wash my face with this Arawa black soap. This is not the container it came in. The container it came in, it's like a cup, but it's soaked and the label has finished. Then I'll be using this makeup brush, or I don't even know what it's called. I'll be using this to wash my face with the black soap. So next I'll be going in with my Beauty Formulas Honey and Almond Facial Scrub just to exfoliate my face. I only need about this amount. So after scrubbing my face, I always go in with a mask and I'll be using the Tea Tree Beauty Formula mask. So after using the Tea Tree Facial Cleanser Mask, I like to go in with a moisturizing mask, which is a DIY sheet mask that I made. So I just put this all over my face. This is supposed to return all the moisture back to my face. So I'm going to keep this on for 10 to 15 minutes just so that my face can soak up all the oils. For toner, I'll be going in with this intense hydrating toner from Miniso as well. I bought this specifically because it contains sodium hyaluronate, which is supposed to help with moisture retention. So I'm just going to apply this on my face using my hands because it's not so much as it's fluid, but it's not liquid. If you can see, it looks more like a gel-like consistency. After that, I go in with this Beauty Formulas on the spot treatment, and I use this just when I have spots, or maybe I'm breaking out and I have some spots on my face. So I just apply this a pea size and apply it to the places where I have some spots, which is on my nose, a bit on my forehead, and one side of my chin, my cheek, and on my chin. Last but not the least, I go in with this Hydrating Konjac Moisturiser from Beauty Formulas as well. I really like this because it keeps my face moisturized all through the day. It contains a bunch of oils like cocoa, seed butter, fruit oil, sweet almond oil, sunflower oil, and a couple of other oils. So yeah, that is how I take off my makeup. I hope you enjoyed this video and you were able to pick out a few things from this video. You can also use other products that have these qualities. It doesn't necessarily mean you have to use this exact product. And this is not my everyday skincare routine. I only do this when I have used a whole lot of makeup and I need to clean all that gunk out of my face. My daily routine, I don't use the two masks at once, and I do not exfoliate all the time because I have sensitive skin. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up as well, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace out.